Hello friends, myself Nimisha. Welcome to ACE Academy. Today we learn use of relationship between zeros of a quadratic polynomial and coefficients of variables. First use is finding the sum and the product of the zeros. Using the relationship between zeros of a quadratic polynomial and coefficient of variable, we can quickly calculate the sum and the product of the zeros of a quadratic polynomial or quadratic equation without finding the zeros themselves. For example, px is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4, which is an example of quadratic polynomial. We know that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, and alpha multiplied by beta is equal to c upon a. Here alpha and beta are the zeros of a quadratic polynomial. Now comparing the coefficients of x square plus 4x plus 4 with general form of the equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 4. Now putting these values, we get alpha plus beta is equal to minus 4 and alpha multiplied by beta is equal to 4. So from 1 and 2, it is clear that sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta, and the product of the zeros, that is alpha multiplied by beta, are easily calculated without any calculation. Now second use is constructing a quadratic polynomial. If we know the zeros of a quadratic polynomial, that is alpha and beta, then we can create the quadratic polynomial using the formula x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0, where alpha and beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial. For example, alpha is equal to minus 2 and beta is equal to minus 2, which are the zeros of a quadratic polynomial. Now we can create the quadratic polynomial using the formula x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha multiplied by beta is equal to 0. Now putting the values of alpha and beta, we get x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0, which is required quadratic polynomial. Now third use is verifying solutions. The relationship between a quadratic polynomial's zeros and coefficients is used to verify solution by checking if the sum of the zeros equals to minus b upon a and the product of the zeros equal to c upon a. For example, x square minus 2x minus 8, which is the example of quadratic polynomial. So we can write x square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Now comparing the coefficients of this equation with ax square plus bx plus c, we get, which is the general form of the equation, we get a equal to 1, b equal to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 8. Now we can find the zeros of this quadratic polynomial using factoring or splitting the middle term. So we get zeros, that is alpha equal to minus 2 and beta is equal to 4, which are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square minus 2x minus 8. Now putting these values in the equation, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a and alpha multiplied by beta is equal to c upon a. We get alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, which is equal to 2, and alpha multiplied by beta, which is equal to c upon a, which is equal to minus 8. Hence our solutions are verified. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Please like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get more updates. Thanks for watching it.